I really like this. Y'all built this together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I had to crawl in there and do it.
He's the only one that fits in there. I got
There you go.
fat.
Okay. So is this like a 4th order sliding box, or did you build in the vehicle?
It was supposed to slide in, but it didn't quite work because the back hatch changed a little bit. So we had to modify it. If you see the back's slowed.
Yes, sir. Nice. What's the box tuning on this?
It peaks at 37.
Okay. And are these at 1 ohm or 2 ohm or half ohm amps that you have on?
Oh, 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
What's up, man? How you doing, JacobViral? Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
So my name's Ethan. We have 815s running on four smart 5Ks, Brazilian sounds.
Okay. Who built this?
Huh?
Yo, oh, what's up? Hey, Dad.
Hey, how we doing?
I do a lot of YouTube videos. I'm doing a video right now.
No, that's good.
Awesome.
Four 5Ks.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
Like
Nice.
5 hours.
And what about the battery and the alternator?
3 alts. Well, 3 alts are on and 2 alts for the stereo ones for factory, and then EH5s.
Okay.
90 amps.
Nice. Can I see the amps in the back?
Huh?
Can I see the amps in the back?
Yeah, they're in the back side doors.
Okay.
Actually, this door's probably a better look at.
Okay.
That side, sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't finish that door yet.
You're good. It's all right. Nice. So is it 1 per amp per sub or per 2 subs?
For 2 subs.
Per 2 subs. Okay.
Yep.
Very nice. And then the box is actually all the way back.
Yep.
So you optimized your spacing. Okay.
I pushed it back against it. You can still sit comfortable.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't going to sit.
Yes, sir. It was letting pressure out. Y'all sealed it good too. Looks good. Is there a way I can see the back just to see how
It is. It's not the prettiest.
Nice. So your batteries are back here. Okay. Yeah. Is this like 90 amp hour? Or?
Yep, 90 amp.
Okay. Really good job. Yeah, you made it fit really good. I like it. Thank you for showing me everything.
No, you're welcome.
Oh yeah.
Anything you want.
Yes, sir.
I got no problem showing it off.
Can I see the alternators then?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'd like to see everything. Appreciate it, man. Nice. All right. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Sorry, I just like all the info for the video.
Nope, that's okay.
It's
This one's a
content.
little different than the low, so.